Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Don't worry about it. James Ford, DD Audio 700 Series 15.
Okay.
DDM 8000. DD Audio S. Oh shit. I don't even know what the SS4B.
I'll edit it.
To the SS4B to the 8s and the 4 6.5s.
Okay.
Got the VO Series DD8s and 4 DD 6.5 VO Series.
Awesome. All right. Really unique build. Look at it. So you get so many people at the show all day wanting to be able to hear what's in here. And you can fit like 20 people to hear it. Yeah, man. It's awesome. Whew. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick little walk around we got of Handislappin, the well-known bus. He shows up at a lot of bass audio shows. This was at Ruckus and Chill in Fayetteville, North Carolina. 4 15-inch subs. They look like 12s, but they're 15s. If you want to check them out on the social media, Handislappin. Got to see a good bass reaction, a 3-song bass demo, and probably over 15 people actually got inside during this demo. The amplifier is on the side of the box. It is the 8,000 watt RMS amplifier. I was kind of curious of looking at the specs online just to see. It's a pretty small footprint space, but it's got a lot of punch out of it. That was the rated specs. It's rated at 14.4 volts at a continuous 8,000 watts. And the subwoofer is the 700 series he was saying, which is at up to 1,200 watts RMS. So it's a good match for these subs for the 8K RMS amplifier. And I like the box layout, probably custom made for sure for the amount of pressure that was coming out of this enclosure during this demo. And the whole vehicle was literally shaking apart. The bus you're going to see with all the bass reactions from all the people inside. So we're getting to the demo now. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. Subscribe if you haven't already. I do daily car audio videos every day, and enjoy.
play music. We're good. Yeah. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I needed the info because I got the demo, but I needed to put the info in with it. So thank you for appreciate it, man. Thanks for the demo. Really unique build. Look at them. So you get so many people at the show all day wanting to be able to hear what's in here. And you can fit like 20 people in here. Yeah, man, it's awesome.